gonna be on record all year this year. Feel me? Everything going up, man. Dropping videos left and right, man. Anybody that rock with me, man, tell me what y'all may want me to tap into that y'all don't get, you know what I'm saying? Because everybody get content from the internet all day, every day. 365, 24/7, man, you know what I mean? It's the way of life now. Everybody head buried in their phone, just looking at content. Whether that's something to cheer them up, whether they searching something, whether they want to listen to something, podcast-wise, whatever the case may be, man. Jack want to give y'all something, man, this year, man. Whether that's relationship advice, whether that's sports intel, whether that's how to cook a burger, how to cook something, you know what I'm talking about? But I got to get locked into it, man, because there's too much money out here in it. And Jack like money. I love money. And I want to get me a little portion of it, too. You know what I'm saying? It's just a way of life, man, now. It's just content being made every single day. I don't want to be labeled as a content creator because it ain't, you know what I mean, my outlook on what I really want to do. I just want to get on here and talk some shit, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever the case may be. Spread some love, spread some good vibes and energy. I don't know, man. But, you know, if you want more insight with Jack Boy, let me know, man. Tap in. I gotta get me a page or something. I don't know what I need to do. I gotta give me something so that way I can. It might be called Ride with Jack. You feel me? I don't know, but we're gonna make something shake this year, man. That right, Jonah? We're gonna make something shake this year, brother. Huh? We're gonna make it shake this year. Alright. Hell, we might just ride the music. You know what I'm saying? Just ride the music. Or something. You know, something gonna pop. You feel me? Yeah, man, that's kind of what I'm on this year, man. I was just in a barber shop. Me and my barber was talking about it, man. Like, motherfucker gotta start, man. It's like we've been wanting to do it. He cut her, and it's like, shit, man, post up. You know, put out all your cuts. Shit, I do music. I'm in the culinary field. I'm big in sports, fashion, whatever, all over the place, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I play golf. It's a lot of stuff I do, man, and kind of can tap in with the world out there with stuff, man. But it's all about getting started, doing it, and not worrying about how I'm gonna make it happen. Just gotta make it happen. You feel me? That's kind of what I'm on, man. Just want to let you folks know, man. First video for 2026 on this content creating journey that we finna get on. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, tap in with the boy.